friends, I'm so delighted to have you back to my channel today. If you are visiting for the first time, my name is Kalisu Sonyuchi and I make videos on tech and how to make money on the internet. So today I'm going to teach you guys a very simple way to make thousands and millions of dollars on the internet doing a very simple business with low capital. So I'm going to talk about domain flipping and what it is all about. So you have to pay attention to this video till the end so that you will learn everything I have explained about domain flipping and how to start up this lucrative business that will change your financial status from what you are to a millionaire in US dollars. So let's dive into the video. What is domain flipping? Domain flipping, I suppose this is not a very strange word to you. You must have come across this word sometime on the internet or from someone. But before I talk about it, I'm going to explain what a domain is, because they say you can't one before two, right? Yeah. I'm going to talk about domain and what it does, and then I'm going to talk about domain flipping and how it works. So please pay attention to the end, as you are really going to enjoy this video. So someone may ask, what is a domain? What is domain? What is it all about? Okay, a domain is actually a unique name or a simple address which is used to identify a website or an app online. In other words, it's a descriptive word or a descriptive name given to a website through which people can easily locate the website by visiting the address. Just for instance, we have the website facebook.com, which is popularly known to almost everyone on the internet. So Facebook is a famous website, although a social network app which a lot of people know. So there are other examples of domains. We have domains like we have google.com and all the rest of them. Though Google is a search engine, but then the domain google.com identifies the search engine. Remember I said earlier, domain is used to identify a website or an app. So Google search engine is more like an app, alright, which enables people to search through the internet according to some given keywords. Alright, so domain name is actually of two different parts. We have the name and then the domain extension. So there are different domain extensions, just like we have in Facebook. There is Facebook, and then at the other part of Facebook there is .com. Alright, so Facebook is the name and then .com is the domain extension. There are various domain extensions. There are some that are said to be top level extensions, such as the .com, .net, .org, and all the rest of them. There are other variations anyway, but then domain, as I said, is a descriptive name given to a website or an app, and it is made up of two different parts. We have the name and then the extension, which is the other part, .com or whatever it is. Alright, so what is domain flipping? Someone may ask. Domain flipping is actually a business of buying and reselling of domain names. Alright, just like we have in real estate business, you buy properties at a very cheaper rate and then later resell them for bigger profit. In a similar manner, you can purchase a domain name at a very little amount and later resell it for huge profit. We have, for instance, of money. Imagine starting a business with just $10 and you're later reselling and you're later making up to $872 million from the, in fact you are a millionaire. So this business is actually a very simple business. It doesn't require you to be an expert or a programmer for you to start up this business. The only thing you need to do is to pay attention to everything I have to teach in this video and in the upcoming videos. So it's very important to subscribe to my channel, because this video is going to come in different parts. There's going to be part 1. This is the part 1 of this video. There's going to be part 2, and then there are other parts. All right, so in other parts I am going to practically illustrate how this business is done. All right, I'm going to show everything, starting from how to register a domain till how to later resell your domain, put your domain on the marketplace for sale, right? So let's talk about domain flipping for now before we go into other things. So as I said earlier, domain flipping is the business of buying a domain name at a very cheap rate and later reselling it for huge amounts. So how is this done? All right, now you have to look up a very popular keyword that is in high demand. You're going to look up a high quality domain. All right, you register it with a domain registrar such as GoDaddy. There are a lot of other domain registrars, so you register it with them and then later you put them on a marketplace. So you buy a domain name, all right, by registering it with a registrar, and then later you're going to resell that domain to people that are in need of it. Let's take for instance when Facebook changed their name from Facebook to Meta, the word Meta became a trending keyword on the internet. So you see a lot of people buying domain names that have Meta included in them. You have Meta Land, Meta Town, and all the rest of them. A lot of people buy this domain not because they want to use them for their personal business, but they buy them since the word Meta has become a trending keyword. So there will be a lot of people in time to come who will be in high demand of that domain name. So when someone that is in need of the domain name looks it up and sees that it's been bought already by someone else, and then the person has placed it on sale, what happens is that the person will have to make some offer, all right, and then get the domain from you since he's quite in need of it for his business. So for you to make real money out of this domain flipping, we are going to look for a domain with high quality. All right, remember in real estate, for you to sell a property and make big profit from it, you have to look for a property that's very much valuable. So you have to research on a domain that is very much valuable. You are going to make proper findings about the domain and its importance, all right, and then you are going to register this domain and place it in a marketplace. Remember, it must be something of high quality. Remember, to make business you must have something with high value. So you are going to register this domain with the registrar and then place it in the marketplace. When someone bids for this domain, they pay you, and then there is a transfer of ownership from you to the person that has bought the domain, and your money is sent to you, all right, through a payment medium that is being supported by the marketplace where you placed your domain, just like GoDaddy and other registrars. Okay, so this is a very powerful business that I will encourage everyone or anyone who has interest in it to go into. Why? Because it requires very little capital. It does not require a huge amount of money to start. You just need some few dollars to start up this business, and in return you are going to make very heavy and huge profit. So in summary, domain flipping is the act of buying a domain at a cheaper rate and then placing it on a marketplace to sell it at a higher rate for good profit. So in the part 2 of this video, I am going to practically demonstrate how to carry out this domain flipping, right from registering a domain through a domain registrar, and in fact initially making findings, right, and the domains that are in high demand, and then registering this domain with a registrar and then later placing it on a marketplace for sale. So please do well to subscribe to my channel as we are going to continually see. So friends, do well to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification icon such that when I upload the part 2 of this video and other important videos, you'll be the very first person to be notified immediately. Please click on the subscribe button, subscribe, and anticipate a lot of good videos that will really help your life positively. Trust me, you are really going to enjoy this channel. You're never going to regret subscribing to my channel. So I'm going to see you in my next video, which is the part 2 of this domain flipping video.